In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show edit history in Google Sheets. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working solo, keeping track of changes is crucial for maintaining accuracy and understanding the evolution of your data. Let's dive into how you can easily access and view the edit history in Google Sheets. To start, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open in front of you. Once you're ready, move your mouse to the top left of the screen and locate the File menu. This is the starting point for accessing your document's version history. Click on File and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Hover your cursor towards the bottom and find Version History. Go ahead and click on that. This action will then present you with another option, See Version History. Click on it and Google Sheets will open up a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your gateway to understanding the changes that have taken place in your spreadsheet over time. Google Sheets automatically saves the edit history for you, so you can revisit past versions anytime you need. The sidebar displays a timeline of the different versions that have been saved. Each entry on the list represents a specific moment in time when changes were made. You might be wondering, how do I know what was changed? Well, Google Sheets makes that easy. When you select any version from the list on the sidebar, Sheets will highlight the cells that were modified during that version. The changes may appear highlighted in different colors, which helps in identifying what was adjusted and when. This feature is particularly helpful if you're working with others and need to understand who made specific changes. You can track modifications made by collaborators, ensuring transparency and teamwork. If ever you make a mistake, or if something doesn't look right, you can use this version history to revert your spreadsheet to a previous state. By simply selecting the version you want to go back to and clicking on Restore this version, your spreadsheet will be reverted, effectively undoing any unwanted changes that have been made since. Having easy access to the edit history is an essential tool for maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your data. It allows you to learn from past iterations and continuously improve your work. Plus, it serves as a safety net, providing peace of mind that you can always recover previous data if needed. I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Sheets more effectively. Keeping track of changes is a powerful way to stay organized and informed about the evolution of your data. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy spreadsheet managing!